Okay, so welcome to this tutorial on how to do binary addition. You can find all the resources to support this in this little bit here, which is also in the video description. So first things first, pause the video, have a go at answering this question. Okay, so welcome back. So the first question, XS was easy for you to read, so it would be C. And then these are the data types. So gender is a character, so a single letter. You could also have a string for that. Boolean, obviously true or false, real, because it's a mean number, so it might be a decimal. And then the card number will be an integer because it's a whole number. Okay, so we're looking today at how we add up in binary. So in denary, how we add up, we've got our hundreds, tens and thousands, and we add those up to get to where we need. So if we have the number 369 plus 733, how we add, and we do the carry, so it would be 9 plus 3 equals 12. So then we would put 2 here, and then we would carry the 1 over to this, and so on and so forth. So we add them all up like that. So in binary, how do we do it? So in binary, we have key rules. So if we're putting a 0 and a 0, it would be a 0. If we're putting a 0 and a 1, it would be a 1. If we're putting a 1 and 1, it would be a 1, 0. So we keep the 0 and we would carry the 1 to the next part of the addition. If we were putting a 1 and a 1 and a 1, it would be a 1, 1. So we keep the 1 and then carry the 1. So let's have a look at that in practicality. So if I had, let's say, this binary number here. Okay, so remember the rules. So I'm going to plus these together. So 0 plus a 0 equals a 0, 0 plus a 1 equals a 1, a 1 plus a 1 equals a 1, carry the 0, a 1 plus a 1 plus a 1 equals a 1, carry the 1. So 0 and a 1, so we're going to go 1, 0 and a 1, we're going to go 1, a 1 and a 1 means it's going to be a 0, and then we're going to carry the 1. So 1 plus a 1 plus a 1 means we're going to keep a 1 here, we're going to carry the 1, a 1 plus a 1, a 0, we're going to carry the 1, a 1 plus a 1, we're going to be a 0, we're going to carry the 1, a 1 plus a 0 and a 0 is a 1. So the result of this binary addition will be this answer here. So the key thing is to remember these rules and add your little carries to the top when you're working that out. Within binary as well, what we can have is an overflow error. So an overflow error is where the addition supersedes the number of bits. So if we're using 8 bits and the addition goes above 8 bits, it becomes 9 bits, that would be classed as an overflow error, and it can't store it in the memory space, and then the program would eventually crash due to that breach. So have a go, pause the video, have a go at this little revision sheet, have a go at some of the questions here and see how we get on. Okay, hopefully we've completed the sheet. These are the answers for you to self-mark on that sheet. Give them a go, see if we've got them correct. These are some little additional reading around the subject. If you want some more information, a bit more in depth, have a look at these websites. Okay, so finally, the exam questions. An exam style question, pause your video, give a go with this exam style question. Okay, so this exam style question here, we've got add these two 8-bit binary integers and write the results. So what we need to do first is remember our rules again. So it's a good technique in the exam, just so you get it right, you can just write down your little rules, so then we're not going to get it wrong. 1, 0, 1 plus a 1 plus a 1 is a 1, 1. So 0 plus a 1 is going to be a 1. It's going to be a 0, we carry the 1. 1 plus a 1 plus a 0 is a 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So that's the answer there. You get a mark for it's all correct. And this here, state what is meant by an overflow error. So an overflow error is when the calculation exceeds the amount of bits needed, and then it would crash the program eventually. Okay, finally, in computing, an overflow error can occur when a calculation is run, but the computer isn't able to store the answer correctly. Yeah, is this true or is it false?